Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design monogram logo with 14 lines. Also I will show you how to design the same letters on different shape with the 14 lines. Also you can learn how to move your design properly above from the lines. So friends, make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in the comments section the most valuable information that you find in this tutorial. So let's start the video. First take line segment tool, and draw a line. Now copy the line by hold Alt. Take total 14 lines by hold Ctrl and pressing D. Select all lines, and make it vertical align center, and group it. Again take polygon tool, and draw a polygon. Rotate the polygon. I just draw the polygon because I need to make polygon by the lines. But most of the people don't know the degree of polygonal angle. That's why I always did it. Now reverse the lines with the same degree. For that, click right button of mouse, and select transform, select reflect, and copy it. I am increasing the line size because, with a line the polygon will not be accurate. I'm going back by pressing Ctrl Z, and doing it from first. Now delete little polygon. You don't need the polygon if you know the angle size of polygon. I copied the lines for my next design. Okay, that's good. Now select everything, and take Shape Builder tool. Now draw a set of letters on lines. I have forgot one thing, there is one more line need. So select the lines, and copy it by following the method. Now rotate it 90 degrees like that. Now select everything, and take Shape Builder tool, and carefully draw your letter. Okay, that's good. Most of the viewers of my channel will always ask me, they can't move their logo properly. So carefully listen my instructions, and I think, this problem will be solved forever. First select individual letter from your design. When you see that, there is a line like this when you are selected, then you will think that your design is grouped, and you can't move it. So in this case, first you need to ungroup like that. You do it for every letter. Now select 3 letter by hold Shift. And move it above from lines. Okay, that's good. I think, everybody now can understand this. Now increase the stroke color of the design, because it will make more beautiful of your design. I increase 5 pt. Now make the only outline stroke. For that, go Object, select Expand Appearance. Again go Object, select Expand. Now go to Pathfinder option, and make the design united. Okay, that's good. I draw the same design in another shape. Select the lines and rotate it 90 degrees. Now select the lines and take Shape Builder tool. I draw the design in the shape. Now draw Asana letters. Okay, that's good. Now move the design like the previous method that I have shown in the first design. Okay, that's good. Now increase the stroke into 5 pt. Also united it. Now I draw the same design in square shape. So first take 14 lines. Okay, that's good. Now copy the lines. Now rotate it 90 degrees. Copy the lines for my another design. Now select the lines and take Shape Builder tool. And draw SNA letters carefully like that. Okay, that's good. Now move the design above from lines. Also increase the stroke color. Also united the design like before process. Now I draw the same design in circle shape. First take Ellipse tool, and draw a circle like that. Copy the circle, and make it one line smaller like that. Now select everything, and take Shape Builder tool, and draw SNA letters carefully. Okay, that's good. Now move the design above from the lines. Okay, that's good. Now increase the stroke color to 5 pt. Also make it united. So friends, I have designed the 4 logo by using the same letter in different shape. You can also do it following this tutorial, just need to think about your design before do it. If you have any question, you can ask me through comment box, I will try to solve your problem in the next video. Thank you.